Good morning, children. Today I am going to start with the fourth and the last chapter of democratic politics. That is working of institutions. Beta, in this chapter, you will learn about office memorandum, Mandal Commission, oppositions against the Mandal Commission, political institutions, that is parliament, executive, and judiciary. So here beta, first let's see what is office memorandum. Office memorandum actually is an order or a communication issued by an appropriate authority in which it states, it describes the policy or decision of the government. Uh, the government issues hundreds of orders every day on different matters. This is the way of functioning of government in any particular country. Office memorandum was the culmination of a long chain of events. Yes, whatever the office memorandum is issued, before that a lot of discussion has been made, number of incidents, number of events take place. Okay, so one such office memorandum was issued by Government of India on 13th August 1990 uh, by the Joint Secretary of Personnel and Training in the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension Department. According to this order or memorandum, it is said that 27% of the vacancies in civil posts and services under the Government of India will be reserved for the socially and educationally backward classes. This is SEBC in short. Okay, it is another name for all those people who belong to caste that are considered backward by the government. It was also said that the benefit of jobs reservation was by that time the benefit of job reservation was till then available only to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Now a third category called SEBC was introduced, and only persons who belong to backward caste were eligible for this quota of 27% jobs. Okay, so this was the office memorandum, and this office memorandum basically or popularly is known as Mandal Commission. This Mandal Commission, actually this was a commission, this was a committee appointed by the Government of India when it was appointed in 1979, and this commission or this committee was known as Second Backward Class Commission. It was headed by BP Mandal, Shri BP Mandal. He was the head of this committee, and just because of his name, this commission is popularly known as Mandal Commission. It was asked to determine the criteria to identify the socially and educationally backward classes in India and recommended steps to be taken for their advancement. This was the job, this was the task given to the commission to determine the criteria and to identify the socially and educationally backward community of the country, and to recommend some steps for their benefits or for their welfare. So the commission gave its report. It prepared, it made lot of discussions and surveys, and after that the commission gave its report in 1980 and made many recommendations. So according to their recommendation, one such recommendation was that 27% of government jobs be reserved for the socially and economically backward classes. The benefit of by that time benefit of job reservation extended the benefit of job reservation extended from SC to ST, SC/ST to a third category called SEBC. This was a new category which was introduced by this commission. These reports and recommendations were discussed in Parliament. Okay, whenever any report or recommendation is produced or handover by any commission, that such report is discussed in Parliament. Parliament is one of the political institution, okay, where all the decisions are discussed, all the policies are discussed, and then after a law or a final decision it has been taken. Many parties and parliamentarians kept demanding for the implementation of the demands. Yes, many political parties or many MPs were in favor of implementation of those recommendations presented by Mandal Commission. In 1989 Lok Sabha election, the Janata Dal Party promised that if they will get a chance to form the government, they would implement the demands. Yes, by that time there was the election time, means in 1989 the next Lok Sabha election were proposed, and the Janata Dal Party, it was a party headed by VP Singh, okay, Vishwanath Pratap Singh. So he was the head, and this party promised that if their party will win the election, so definitely when they will be able to